Good morning, children. Welcome you all in our math session. The world of shapes. This chapter is going on, and previous session we have learned curve lines, straight lines, horizontal, vertical, and slanting lines. And last session we have learned plane shapes that are triangle, circle, rectangle, square, and oval. And today we are going to learn solid shapes. Okay, I show you some objects of solid shapes. Look, this is a perfume. This is a box. This is a also box. This is a ball. Here is a birthday cat. This is a compass box. This is pencil. This is a dice. Okay, these are solid objects and it have solid shape. Okay, children. Now I am showing you the parts of these shapes. Okay, look here. This and this. These are the faces of the shape. Okay. Now look here. These are the faces. These are the faces. And a plane surface of a solid object is called face. Okay. This plane surface of a solid shapes or solid object is called a face. Okay. Now look here. This plane face and this plane face meet. Where it's meet, it's called an edge. Okay, children, listen carefully. This plane face means this face and this face. Where it's meet, it is called an edge. Okay. Then here two edges, this edge and this edge. You know, now these are the edge. This edge and this edge, where it's meet, this here, look here, and it's called corner. I repeat again, listen carefully. This edge and this edge, where it's meet, ये एज और ये एज यहाँ मिल रहा है, that is a corner. Understand, children? Now, and this corner is also called vertex. Okay, understand? Now tell me what we have learned today. Look here. Face of the solid object. This is a face of the object. Now this face and this face is joined or meet together. It's called an edge. Understand? This face and this face meet together. It called an edge. Understand? Now this edge and this edge, where it's joined, it's called corner or vertex. Understand, children? Face, edge and corner. These are the faces, edges and corners of solid shapes. Okay. Look here, children. This is a solid shape figure. Now I am showing you face, edges and corner in this figure. Okay, look here. this plane surface, this plane surface, it is called face. Listen carefully. It is very important. Okay. This plane surface is called face. Now, this plane surface join with this, it's make an edge. Okay, children. It's called an edge. Okay. This plane surface and this plane surface meet, it's make an edge. Okay. Now this edge and this edge, or this edge and this edge, where it's joined? Here. And it's make an corner. Children, corner, or we called it vertex. Okay, children, clear now? Again, this plane surface is called face. Two faces joins where, it's called an edge, and two edges joined, it's called corner. Again, प्लेन सरफेस है तो उसे फेस कहते हैं. दो प्लेन सरफेस जहाँ ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं उसे एज कहते हैं. और दो एजेस, दिस एज जहाँ पे पॉइंट हो रहे हैं उसे कॉर्नर या वर्टेक्स कहते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ चिल्ड्रन, we are going to learn about solid figures. Okay, shapes like square, triangle, circle, rectangle and oval are all flat shapes that you know. Yes, and these flat shapes without any thickness. Okay, let me explain. Look, this is a triangle, this is circle, this is rectangle, here is a square, and these are plane or flat surface. Okay, children, and it has no thickness. These are only plane or flat shapes. Okay, means flat surface has no thickness, so it has no face and edge. Okay, but these solid shapes or solid figures have thickness, like pencil box, you know, then ball, here die, this party cap, this bottle or perfume container, this pencil, this box, these, it's have thickness, or these are not flat shape. So these shapes are called solid shapes. Okay, children? There are some solid shapes like cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere and cone. Okay? Cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere and cone. Now look here. This solid shape or solid figure is called cube. Understand? This is a cube. And now I am showing you the original object of cube. Look here. This box or these dice. Okay. Now what is the speciality of this cube? Look here. This cube figure or object has 6 equal flat faces. 6 equal flat faces. ये क्यूब है और क्यूब को कितने फेसेस है? 6 फेसेस. नाउ वी विल काउंट. ओके, लुक हियर. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. How many faces cube have? Cube has 6 faces. समझ में आया? कहाँ है 6 faces? 1 2, look here, 1 2, नीचे 3, ये 4, आगे 5, पीछे 6. How many faces cube have? Cube has 6 faces. Understand? Now edges. How many edges? Okay. Edge means what? These. Edge means two faces meet. This face and this face meet. It's called edges. Now, come on, count with me. 1 2 3 4. Okay, these 4. Then down. 1 2 3 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Then 1 2 3 and 4. 4 plus 4 plus these 4 is equal to 12. Again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Now tell me, how many edges cube has? Cube has 12 edges. Okay, it is clear now. 12 edges. Okay, अगर आपके यहाँ भी कुछ क्यूब शेप वाला ऑब्जेक्ट है, जैसे आपके घर पे अगर क्यूब है लाइक दिस पिक्चर, तो और बच्चों लिसन, फेसेस शुड बी इक्वल. फेसेस, क्यूब के फेसेस इक्वल होने चाहिए. अंडरस्टैंड? मीन्स क्यूब हैज 6 equal faces. I forgot to say about this. Okay, these faces are equal in cube shape. Okay, 6 equal faces. And हमारे यहाँ पे अगर क्यूब है तो आप खुद काउंट कर सकते हैं. इक्वल फेसेस, एजेस एंड कॉर्नर्स. ओके, हाउ मेनी एजेस आर देयर? 12. नाउ वी विल लुक about corners. Okay, look here, this is a cube figure and we have to count the corners. Okay children, look here. 1 2 3 4 and down 5 6 7 8. Means cube has 8 corners. Okay, again 1, जहाँ पे एजेस जॉइंट होते हैं या फिर एजेस का जो पॉइंट है दैट इज अ कॉर्नर. 1 2 3 4 and here 5, this 5, then 6, then 7 and then 8. So cube has 8 corners or vertex. Okay, cube has 8 corners or vertex. Okay, आपको ये सब वर्ड याद रखने हैं. फेसेस, एजेस, कॉर्नर or vertex. Okay, now this is a solid figure of cube. Understand?